my name is Ambrit and welcome to my channel, and today we are reviewing another RoC Retinol Correxion skincare product. So today we are reviewing RoC Retinol Correxion line smoothing capsules that you use for nighttime. So what I'm going to do is show you how I use these capsules, and then we're going to come back and talk about the ingredients and my review. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, let me show you how I use the RoC Retinol capsules. So at night, after I cleansed my makeup off, etc., first applied my RoC Retinol eye cream, which I faithfully use. You can also see a review on that in this playlist. This is a sample pack that I got free with my other purchase of the eye cream. So normally these come in a pack of 30. This is a little pack of 10. So I'm just going to demonstrate with that. But these tiny little capsules here pack a mighty punch, might I add. These are fantastic. So what you do is you gently twist the cap off. What I do is, I'm so used to this with being a therapist, I always put my products here when I'm doing clients. So then simply comes out as a clear fluid, and it's enough to apply to the whole face and neck. You do this at night time only. If you need more moisture or cream on top, you can apply the maximum hydration cream that you receive in the line smoothing regimen. Now, I do have a video in this playlist which shows you my anti-aging skincare routine, which shows you me applying these products also. So to be honest with you, a lot of times I wouldn't use the cream on top because I felt this serum was enough. Now it looks oily, but it dries down to a nice silky texture, and you do not need to worry if your skin is oily, sensitive, because that's this type of skin that I have. Mature, sensitive, oily, and this was fantastic. The results I seen immediately. So now we're going to go back to the ingredients and my review. Okay guys, so welcome back, and before I forget, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and many blessings for the year to come. So first of all, let's talk about the ingredients here, which is important, so please stay engaged, don't be naughty, don't go away. So first of all, if you have sensitive skin like moi, don't be afraid to try these, because this is a wonderful product, okay? It is fantastic, and I'm not saying that lightly, because I have been in the beauty business for 30 years. You can see in the About Me section on my channel. I am termed as a beauty therapist in the UK, but you know, also as a spa therapist, holistic therapist. I do reflexology, aromatherapy, facial treatments, body treatments, you name it, I do it. Okay, so yes, there's a difference between the States and the UK. But anyway, without further ado, let's talk about this product. So first of all, if you have sensitive skin, do not be afraid to try this, because it takes a lot for a skincare product to impress me. As you know why, I've been in the business a long time. So this here is fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and free of essential oils. So if you have sensitive skin, like I say, do not be scared to try this, okay? Now, the first ingredient, main ingredient, okay, is retinol, derivative of vitamin A. So that stimulates collagen production, fights lines and wrinkles at the skin surface, is good for faded age spots, and good for acne-prone skin. We have ceramide NP, which is a pure ceramide, which contains the same chemical structure identical to that found in the skin. So that reinforces the natural lipid barrier in the skin and it maintains the moisture balance of dry and aging skin. Then we have soybean oil, which is very rich in vitamin E. It strengthens the skin barrier. It's very good for hydration, and obviously that's your antioxidant part. So with that covered, what I would say I found with using these capsules, no joke, I was quite shocked actually. I found a difference from one night's use. The best way to describe what I felt in layman's terms was, if you've been suffering from a lot of stress or insomnia and you haven't slept good for a long time, right? You know how your face looks when you've had, eventually after so long, that really peaceful, restful night of 10 hours, 15 hours sleep because you've been so exhausted for weeks on end, and your face just looks like 10 years younger. That's the best way to describe, right, how I felt my skin looked after just one night use. Okay, the products that have impressed me the most, which you'll see in this playlist, there's many products, right, that I have reviewed, and also in my anti-aging skincare routine when I was on the retinol regime. First of all, the retinol eye cream. I will not change, because I have definitely, after a long search and using many products, I have found the eye cream that works for me. It's a retinol eye cream in the RoC Skincare. Another thing that I would say is the capsules. Definitely I would invest in them, and the line smoothing daily serum for your morning use, because you use this morning and you use this nighttime. These are the three products I would definitely recommend that I love. Okay, so with these capsules here, these actually pack a punch. Like, these are like a miracle, magical capsule. You will definitely, I definitely seen a difference just after one night of use. Your skin is so much more smoother, brighter, vibrant looking, plumper, just so much more healthier looking. Yes, I seen a huge improvement when I was on the retinol regime. Now, I have not changed using this because, oh, let me try and find something better. No, I have wanted to try vitamin C for winter time, because I live in a tropical climate, so the weather has went colder, so I want to try out, you know, a different regime for winter time. But I would definitely recommend these capsules. Are fantastic. I've seen a huge difference in my skin. You know, just so much more vibrant and younger looking. Amazing difference. So I will leave my affiliate link in the description so you can get 25% off. And until the next video, I will say good night, boa noche, and enjoy the rest of 2021. And if you like the video, subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right, adios, bye.